Hi everyone, it's Tyler with Loving Whimsy, and today I'm gonna deep clean my fridge. For the next few months, I'm gonna dedicate at least once a week a really deep clean. And I've tried the zone cleaning with Fly Lady, and I'm gonna give it another shot this year. But really, I think it's just a matter of finding a place that I know hasn't been really cleaned in a while and just doing it. So today it's gonna be the fridge. And last week I did the boys' room. I will link that video above and below. It's not the worst, but it's pretty bad. So it's got a whole bunch of just stuff and like full drawers and condiments everywhere. You can tell we drink a lot of milk. One there, one there. One there. So quite a few of these things are not things I would want us to be eating anymore, so they need to go. So I'm gonna purge all of the food that's expired. We have an issue with our fridge. Like, we'll develop ice under here. I don't know if you can see that. So I can't pull this drawer out. You can see that I tried and ended up breaking this edge. My degree is in environmental studies. My focus was natural resource management. That I would waste this much food is really frustrating. So this year, we're gonna make a very big effort to drastically reduce our food waste. I would like to say zero, but I don't want to set myself up for failure, but darn near zero, because this is not okay. But I want to keep it real with you guys. I don't want to pretend like everything in the fridge was totally fine and nothing got thrown away. All of this is going in the trash. The cleaner I'm using is in a Method bottle, but it's actually just water and dish soap. I found that the grease fighting power of dish soap works better than any other store-bought cleaner. Also, way cheaper. I'm getting tired of waiting for this ice block to de-thaw, and I can't clean that drawer without it. So I'm going to attempt to melt it with a hairdryer. This could be a very terrible idea, or a genius one. The flaw in my plan is that the air is pushing the ice further in. So now, I wonder if I put a towel there and blow dry it. If the warmth will melt the ice, but the towel will catch the water. Has been cleaned and de-thawed. I'm gonna go ahead and plug it back in so it can start getting cold. I need to clean out the shelves and the bins. Plan was to deep clean both the fridge and the freezer, but I started this project at 11. It is now 3. 4 hours is enough for me. I did not realize how badly this fridge was in need of a deep clean, and how dirty it was going to be like behind and underneath the fridge. So that's enough for today. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, and I will see you guys next time. If you haven't and you'd like to, feel free to subscribe if you like this video and you want to see more. Bye!